Hey, remember the commercial? You'll hear it a lot. I don't know if they're still using this slogan, but it's called "What's in Your Wallet?" It's the credit card company, and they have all those crazy commercials with all kinds of different scenarios. What's in your wallet, they say. Well, it's been a catchy phrase. It's worked well for them. I mean, it's something that I've remembered just because I got hammered with it so many times. And so our question is, what's on your agenda? What's on your agenda for the holidays? What do you got planned? What are you doing with your family? You got Thanksgiving plans? You have Christmas plans? What's going on New Year's? Is your family coming in from out of town? Are you entertaining people at your house? Are you going to somebody's house? Are you letting somebody else do all the cooking for you and you're going to a restaurant or a club or over to a relative's house? What are you doing? Well, we've had a lot of families and companies and groups that schedule bowling parties. They schedule their bowling parties around the holidays. And I can think of one family in particular, I'm not going to name them here, but they come in every year for Thanksgiving. And they take up like 2 lanes. There's probably 12 of them, maybe 18 of them, but they love the holidays to come bowling because it gets them out of the house and they can all kind of interact together and enjoy themselves. So there's another group that I know of that has a huge family Christmas party, and they celebrate it at the bowling lanes. They may even bring Christmas gifts there, but they all bowl and eat and have a great time, and it's a good experience for them. Now, I want to let you know that we've got all of our information on our website. More is coming. You may go on there right now and discover lane reservations that you can click on and look ahead at the dates and times. As of right now, and probably shortly here in a day or two, we will have this fully up and running. If you don't see the date and time you want to reserve on the website, you can call us. But I'm working with a company, it's actually a Canadian company that designed our lane reservation software. It's not only for lanes, but it's a software program that other companies use, and they put their products and services in there, and it helps them to run their reservations. So you'll see that on our website. It's a little calendar program. You click on the calendar and pick the date and time you want to bowl. And it's a little more involved with these holidays. This is the first year we're going to put that on there. Normally you call and make reservations, which you still can do. You can still call us and make your lane reservations. But this other way, I think, will prove to be a more organized way to track your party and get your receipts and be able to see exactly what time you're going to be on, and it guarantees it. So I'm working with the company to get that all up online, and the thing is, there's a lot of moving parts with this because we've got to, on the back end, go into our schedules and our rates and our schedules change. We're open every day of the year. We're open 365 days a year. We never close. Now our schedules change, like Christmas Day. I believe we have been open from 2 to 10. That may be extended from 2 to 11. I just have to see how the software allows me to program that. But and then, of course, our New Year's Eve parties. We sell those out in 3 different segments. We have a family party, which is an early one. We have a middle, that's called a youth party. It's like for the young kids. Typically it's from 5 to 7. And then the next one is from 8 to 10, and then the next one's 11 to 2 a.m. So there's 3 different parties depending on when you want to do the New Year's Eve. So I'll be talking more about that in the coming days, and next week or 2 here we'll be pushing those pretty good. Just wanted to give you a idea of what's coming, and look for that on the website. We're also going to be launching in the next day a Black Friday sale, which will probably roll over into Monday with the Cyber Monday. I think they still call it Cyber Monday. But it'll be a great black market special that you can get and, you know, make a good deal for you on that. It'll be limited to just the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and roll into Monday. We'll see how that works. I'm going to get that up online here in the next couple of days. So whatever you're planning on doing with your family, friends and relatives, and whoever else you may be getting together with during these holidays, consider bowling, because a lot of people have done that, and it's been really beneficial to them to bring their family closer together and enjoy the fellowship and the opportunity that you only have for certain times in your life. And this is the time of year when everybody gets together, and it's a great time of year. Sometimes it's stressful for some people, and a lot of people it is stressful, but this reduces the amount of stress because you're not worried with everybody coming in your house if that's a problem for you. You can do both. You can have everybody at your house, and then you can also bring them all bowling. And what's unique about this season versus last year is the leagues have taken off an extra week before the holidays, so we have lanes available starting, I mean, they're always available, but right now there's leagues. So the leagues are going to stop bowling like December 19th. And they're going to come back after the New Year's. So check out our lane schedules that'll be coming up online this week, and make plans to come bowling with us. You'll really enjoy it, and it'll be a great opportunity for your family.